Hi, it's Kristi in the Rada Kitchen, and today I'm bringing a recipe to you from our recipe book titled 101 Recipes with Chocolate. If you're a chocolate lover, you'll love this recipe book. It has everything from cookies and bars and beverages and desserts. And today I'm going to make luscious caramel brownies. So you'll need a 14-ounce package of caramels or caramels, however you want to pronounce it. Make sure you unwrap them. And put those in a heavy, large saucepan. And to that we're going to add a 1/3 cup of evaporated milk. And we're going to go over the stove top and melt those. Now over low heat, I'm just going to stir until these caramels all are melted in with the evaporated milk. So you just want to keep stirring the caramels in the milk as it melts. And I like using this Rada non-scratch spoon. As you can see, it scrapes the bottom of that, so that'll keep it from burning on the pan. You just want to keep stirring it. It's got a nice sturdy handle for really thick, heavy mixtures you might be stirring. And the best part, if you're using a non-stick pan, it won't scratch that pan. As you can see, it scrapes that bottom really nice. It's shaped just right to get into those edges. So it won't be too much longer now. Now these brownies, we're going to take about a cup of chopped walnuts. I just like to get out my handy little Rada food chopper and just coarsely chop those. This is a straight edge one that works great on nuts. We also have a serrated edge. Helps cut through celery, onions, potatoes, boiled eggs. Work really great. They're easy to clean up. So, and you'll want to get ready a 9 by 13 inch pan. You want to pre-season it. This is the Rada stoneware, so you don't need to pre-season it. That's what's so great about it. Okay, so in a large bowl, we're going to take one 18.2 ounce package of a German chocolate cake mix. And then we're going to take a 1/2 cup of melted butter and another 1/3 cup of evaporated milk. We're just going to mix that well. And now we're going to stir our chopped nuts into the mixture. Then you want to kind of divide this in half. We're going to pat half of this into our 9 by 13 inch pan. So now we have this all pressed into our 9 by 13 inch pan. We're going to place it in an oven that we preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake it for 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes, I've taken that out of the oven. Now is when we're going to drizzle our caramel over that. Make sure you get all the corners. Now on top of that caramel, we're going to sprinkle a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then we're just going to crumble the other half of that cake mix over that. What's going to happen is when it cooks, it's going to goo up through these pieces, and it's so tasty. Now we're going to put this back in the oven for another 20 minutes. So after your luscious caramel brownies have cooled, they're ready to serve. They have that creamy caramel and chocolate filling. That's one of the recipes in our 101 Recipes with Chocolate cookbook.